Hi my queens, I am back with another Makartt Your Nail Lab. I wanted to share what's inside this box today. So let's open it up and see what's inside. The first item I have is a polygel in the color Daydream. The second item I have is another polygel in the color Chrysanthemum. And the third item I have is another polygel in the color Boba. Oops. The fourth item I have is a gel polish in the color Scarlet. The fifth item I have is a gel polish in the color Seaweed. The sixth item I have is a nail liner in the color Watermelon Hype. And the last item I have is another gel polish in the color Mandel. If you guys want to see any swatches of these colors, let me know. I'll be more than happy to show you guys what the colors look like. But unfortunately, that's all they gave me today. I hope y'all enjoyed what was inside this box. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and be on the lookout for my next video. I will upload another video on Friday. I'm going to take these off and redo my nails again. So if that's something you guys want to see, just be on the lookout for my next video. Bye, y'all.